Good afternoon. My name is Logan Mauldin, and I decided to do the University of Louisiana Lafayette for my semester presentation. The three cost-saving strategies that I decided to use were lowering the cost of attendance, drive to more games instead of flying, and save money on apparel. One of the ways that I think that we can save money at Louisiana Lafayette is lowering the cost of attendance. In 2018, Louisiana Lafayette set its price of $1,000 a semester for cost of attendance. During this year, Louisiana noted a total variancy increase of 4.25%, so they decided to increase the cost of attendance to $3,000. This means that within less than a year, the cost of attendance at the University of Louisiana Lafayette has increased over 3 times. I believe something that we can do to save money is to not bring the cost of attendance back to 1,000, but to decrease it to 2,000. With that being said, this will still mean that from 2018, their cost of attendance is still double. Another cost-saving strategy that I would like to implement at Louisiana Lafayette is to drive to more games instead of flying. A great way to save money is to not buy private planes and plane tickets to go to away games that are 3 hours to 4 hours away. It would be effective to just buy charter buses and take round trips. The last cost-saving strategy that I would like to implement at Louisiana Lafayette is to save money on apparel and equipment. Oftentimes, athletes are given a lot of stuff that we do not need, with that including multiple pairs of socks, multiple workout shoes, and apparel that we know we'll never wear. A way that we can save money is to manage the amount of gear that we give them. The three revenue enhancing strategies that I would like to incorporate at Louisiana Lafayette are donation. Three revenue enhancing strategies that I would like to incorporate at Louisiana Lafayette include sending donations. The three revenue enhancing strategies that I would like to incorporate at Louisiana Lafayette include donations sent to the University of Louisiana at Lafayette Foundation, Inc., renting out our stadium for different events in the area. Lastly, fundraisers. Louisiana at Lafayette Foundation, Inc. is a nonprofit organization. With that being said, Louisiana Lafayette can receive donations sent to that foundation and not be taxed on them. This would be a great way to receive free money. Another way to generate revenue would be to rent out our stadium for different events in the area. This means allowing different high schools to host events at our stadium, or even allowing different 7-on-7 events to be held there. We will make them pay a renter's fee, and this can be paid hourly or at a flat rate. Lastly, to enhance revenue at Louisiana Lafayette, we will hold annual fundraisers. This means that we will hold 4 seasonal fundraisers each year. These will need to be directed and put together by all the athletic departments. This means they can get creative and do whatever they would like to for the fundraiser, including with the fundraisers, including car washes, carnivals, t-shirts, cupcakes, even more.